Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Listening and Learning. Hope all are fine. Kindly watch our videos and subscribe the channel and don't forget to click the bell notification also. Let's go to the video. Neighborhood garden. Add a little green to your neighborhood. How to do? Make a group of 5 or more children who are eager to make the neighborhood green. Take help of one elder to work out the project. Identify a patch of land where you can place 10 big potted plants. Organize the collection of money from the neighborhood to buy plants, soil, and pots. Team up into pairs and start making the rounds for money collection. Go with an adult to a nursery and buy the plants, soil, and pots. Clean the patch and place the potted plants there. Take turns to water the plants. Now you have your own garden in your neighborhood. So let's get started to plant the trees. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to click the bell notification button too. Bye bye.